Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing amazing. On this new activity of the week, we're going to keep on working on home, on unit 4. Remember, at home. And we're going to start with parts of the house. So what part of the house is this? This is it's the living room. So this girl, she is in the living room, right? She's in the living room. Good job. And we have here a table and we have a bowl. So that bowl is on the table, right? Where are we here? This is any ideas? It's we have a bed, a window, a lamp on a table, and some flowers. What part of the house is it? It's the bedroom. So the boy says the cat is on the bed. What cat? Let's see. Oh, that cat. So the cat is on the bed, on the yellow bed, right? Good. Where are we now? Again, we're on the living room. We're in the living room, sorry. And here we have a box that is on the cupboard. Where is that box? Can you see it? Yes, here it is. The black box is on the cupboard. This is the cupboard, see? Is where you put your clothes in, or your food in, or your books in. So it's got doors that you can open and close. It's a cupboard, right? So the box, the black box, is on the cupboard. Good job. And then we have over here books, or one book. There is a book under the sofa, right? There is a book under the sofa. It's under the sofa, right? We have the sofa there, and the book is under the sofa. There you go. And finally, in this living room, we have fire, and the fire is in the chimney. So inside the chimney, we have some warm and nice fire for the cold, right? Fire. So the fire is in the chimney, right? Good. So there are some words, new words there. We checked them last class. We're going to continue working on them. So let's see how we do. It's a game. We're going to go really fast, and you're going to try to do it on your own, individually, of course, at home. So let's see. This is a door, right? So we're going to click door, right? We have here a box. Where is the box? There is the box. And so on and so forth. We have a chair. And the table, can you see the table? The table. There you go, you're right. The table. The cupboard. Remember the cupboard? Very important. The cupboard. There you go. And the bed. Nice job. So you're going to do it together. Alone, at home. I know that you're going to do well and fine. Great. So now we have here a cartoon. Look at this arrow over here, this blue arrow. If you click on it, it goes up. Ta-da! And if you click again on it, it goes down. See? So it says read and color. Okay, we're going to read and color. Let's begin. Number 1. There is a cupboard and it's black. So we're going to go to our pencil and we're going to choose color black. Black. And we're going to color the cupboard, right? This is the cupboard. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not good at coloring. You're better than me, but well. Next one. There is a table and it's red. The table is red. So we're going to color red. We're going to go to our table and we're going to color the table red. I'm not good at this. There you go. I know you're better than me. There is a bed and it's yellow. Which one is the bed? Which one is the bed? The yellow bed? Any ideas? And it's yellow. So I'm going to pick color yellow. And Yes, I'm going to color the bed with the little girl, right? Who's sleeping there in the bed. She is in the bed sleeping. There is a chair and it's orange. So again, I'm going to pick my color orange and I'm going to color the chair orange, right? The chair is orange. There is a doll there, blah, blah. There is a box and it's green. A box and it's green. So I'm going to click here. There is a box over there and it's green. So let's pick color green and let's color the box. The box is green. There you go. There's a door and it's blue. The door is blue. So you go to your color blue and you color it blue. There you go. See? The door is blue. And the school bag and the cat and the dog, any color you like if you want to complete it. Okay? Good. Next one. Here you're going to write this time. Yes, you're going to write. So here we have. I'm going to pick the text to write. And it says, let's see. Wait a minute. There you go. The ball is in the... Where is the ball? Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. There you go. The cat is on the... Do you remember? The cat is on the cupboard, right? So I'm going to write here, cupboard. There you go. Let's see. The book is on the... The book is on the... Where is the book? On the table, right? I'm going to move it over here. Book, table. The girl is in the... She is in the bed, right? She's in the bed. And the school bag or the bag is on the... School bag is on the door, right? On the door. And that's it. That's the end. Is it? Yes, I think so. Well done. So, I hope you do good with this. If you have any connection problems, si tienen problemas de conexión, les voy a enviar esta misma actividad en PDF para que la puedan imprimir como una guía o la puedan hacer en sus cuadernos, right? So you can use this, you can use your notebooks, or you can use the worksheet. Va a ser la misma actividad, so you won't have problems. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy and take care and bye-bye. Take care. See you on a next activity.